Okay, so this type of translocation, this type of change is called as translocation type of aberration. Okay, so say in second you can see the deletion aberration. Okay, so structure of chromosome here you can observe, or here you can see the structure of chromosome is changed because of deletion of some part of the chromosome. Okay, so this is called as the structural aberration. In each of these changes you can see structure of chromosome is changing. Okay, इसमें से हर एक में आपको देखने को मिलेगा कि स्ट्रक्चर क्रोमोसोम का क्या हो रहा है, change हो रहा है. That's why this type of changes or this type of variations are called as chromosomal structure aberration. क्रोमोसोम का स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पे चेंज हो रहा है. ओके, व्हेन द नंबर इज गोइंग टू चेंज दैट टाइम दे आर कॉल्ड एज न्यूमेरिकल एब्रिएशंस. ओके, so there are two type of aberration broadly. Okay, structural and numerical. So here we are seeing structural. So in that we are seeing about the translocation type of, and then this is the deletion type. Okay, in the second one diagram you can see that. Okay, this is the deletion type of aberration. In there is some part of the chromosome is deleted here. Okay, so the structure of the chromosome is changed. Okay, and this can lead to many disorders. Okay, so this is the one. Then there is the inversion type. Okay, this is all changes, variations are occurring due to mutations. Okay, so in case of inversion, what happens? The some part of the chromosome is inverted. Okay, you can see in this case the centromere is present here, but due to the inversion of this much part, okay, invert हो रहा है means उल्टा हो रहा है. Okay, so this much part is cut and inverted. Due to this, the structure of chromosome is changed. This type is called as inversion type of aberration. Okay, and you can see in case of inversion there are paracentric and pericentric. Okay, so these are the nomenclature given according to the involvement of centromere. Okay, if the centromere is involved it is called as paracentric, and if the centromere is not involved in inversion it is called as pericentric. Okay, so this is about the inversion type of chromosomal aberration. Okay, and if you see here, this is third one, insertion type. Okay, insertion, it is again leading to the change in the chromosomal structure. You can see extra part is inserted here. Okay, due to which the structure of chromosome is changed. Okay,
मॅम
yes,
सॉरी मॅम, एक्स्ट्रीमली सॉरी मी तुम्हाला डिस्टर्ब करते.
it's okay.
मॅम
Beta.
मॅम माझे ना ऍक्च्युली प्रेझेंटी बाकी, आणि मला आता ताबडतोब थोडं पोलीस स्टेशनला मला थोडं व्हेरिफिकेशनला जायचं होतं. तुम्ही मॅम प्रेझेंटीचं बघता का एकदा माझं, म्हणजे मला लेफ्ट व्हायचं मीटिंग मध्ये.
Okay, okay. I'll post the attendance within
हा
2 minutes.
ऍक्च्युली मॅम माझं थोडं पासपोर्टचं व्हेरिफिकेशन चालू आहे, तर मला त्याच्यासाठी आता इमिडिएटली
Okay,
थोडं.
beta. Okay, okay, okay. I'm posting. Okay. Okay, I have posted attendance. You all can mark. Okay. Have you all got the attendance? Okay, good. So we can move ahead. Okay. So this is about the structural abbreviations. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, so can you see the presentation? Okay, so here you can see that. So as we have seen about the structural abnormalities, or there are called structural aberrations, deletion, duplication, inversion, and translocation. Okay, see, we can have the abnormalities of chromosome regarding their numbers. Okay, so set of number can change. Okay, number of set can change. Number of individual chromosome can also change. Okay, so that is called as numerical aberration. Okay, so if we broadly classify numerical aberrations, so numerical aberrations are of two types. Okay, like we have seen structural aberrations are of four type: deletion, duplication. Okay, in that also there are some types. Okay, but if we speak broadly, there is deletion, structural aberration, duplication, inversion, and translocation. Okay, so similar manner, there are numerical aberrations also. Okay, numerical aberration is related to change in the complete set of number of chromosome. Okay, number complete chromosome का number यहाँ पे चेंज होगा. ओके, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक क्रोमोसोम का स्ट्रक्चर चेंज हो रहा था. So that is, there are, if we classify numerical aberration, there are broad two types: aneuploidy and polyploidy. Okay, so we will see about this aneuploidy and polyploidy. Okay, so if we talk about the numerical abnormalities, so there are aneuploidy and polyploidy. If we talk about the aneuploidy, okay, so aneuploidy is variation in the number of particular chromosome within the set. Okay, there is a single set. Okay, there is a normal set of chromosome present in the individual, and change in that क्रोमोसोम सेट नंबर. ओके, एक ही सेट प्रेजेंट है और उसी के कुछ क्रोमोसोम में चेंज हो रहा है नंबर के. कंप्लीट सेट में पूरा का पूरा कंप्लीट सेट वहां पे कॉपी या फिर डिलीट नहीं हो रहा है, बट जो सेट है उसमें के कुछ इंडिविजुअल क्रोमोसोम का नंबर अगर चेंज हो रहा है. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अनयूप्लॉइडी. ओके, सो अनयूप्लॉइडी, there are two types in aneuploidy: hyperploidy and hypoploidy. Okay, hyper, within the name you can see that hyperploidy is a gain of chromosome. Okay, extra chromosome आ रहे, particular chromosome duplicate हो रहा है. Okay, that is hyperploidy. Okay, in hypoploidy there is a loss of chromosome. Okay, so there are different types of hyperploidy. First one is trisomy. Okay, suppose you have the, suppose there is a diploid condition. Okay, what is the case in diploid condition? In diploid condition, there should be two chromosome. Okay, two copies of each chromosome. Okay, there should be two copies of each chromosome. Okay, the condition is 2n. But if there are three copies of one of the chromosome, that is called as trisomy. Okay, so we have the example of 21 trisomy. Okay, in case of a disease, there are three copies of 21 number chromosome. Okay, not complete set is going to change, only a chromosome number is increased here. Okay, 21 नंबर का जो क्रोमोसोम है उसके तीन कॉपीज अगर प्रेजेंट है, तो जो टोटल हो जाएगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, 2n+1. अभी जो सेट है दैट विल बी ऑफ 47. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हमने ह्यूमन का लिया, if you take the example of humans have the 46 chromosome, but there is a case of hyperploidy. Okay, in which the 21 number chromosome has the 3 copies. Okay, so complete chromosomes there will be 47. Okay, so this is the case. This is called as trisomy. Okay, one of the example of this is 21 trisomy. Okay, so there could be double trisomy also. Okay, double trisomy means there are two extra copies of a particular chromosome. Okay, and there could be the tetrasomy also. There are again complete set of copy of two a single chromosome. Okay, means what is the difference between here? Here 2n plus 1 plus 1 means there are extra 1 copy of two different chromosomes. Okay, here is the extra two copies of the same chromosome, that is tetrasome. Getting everyone? सबको समझ में आ रहा है क्या what I am trying to tell? Okay, so the disorders which we want to study, they are related to numerical abbreviations. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt you can ask. So opposite happening in hypoploidy. In case of hypoploidy, we will lose one of the copy. Okay, so there are types of hypoploidy. First is monosomy, in which there the condition of 2 minus 1 means whatever the set is, one copy is deleted here. Okay, only one copy. Okay, not complete one set of chromosome, only one single copy of chromosome is getting deleted, that is monosomy. Again there could be double monosomy means, for example, there is a deletion of two copies of two different chromosomes. Okay, and nullisomy is a complete copy of a single chromosome is lost. Okay, मीन्स एक जो क्रोमोसोम है उसका दोनों भी कॉपी लॉस हो जाएंगे, दैट इज नलिजोमी. लेकिन अगर यहाँ पे दो अलग अलग क्रोमोसोम है, हमारे पास टू कॉपीज है दोनों की, लेकिन दोनों का भी एक एक कॉपी अगर लॉस हो गया है, दैट इज डबल मोनोसोमी. एंड सिंगल मोनोसोमी इज जो हमारे पास एक क्रोमोसोम है जिसकी दो कॉपी, उसका एक अगर कॉपी लॉस हो जाता है, दैट इज मोनोसोमी. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है सबको? This is about the numerical abbreviations and structural abbreviations in the chromosome. Okay. So remaining part we will continue in the next lecture.